PeopleSoft Fluid eBill Payment is an electronic bill payment solution that's easy to use and allows your customers to manage their accounts and pay bills anytime, anywhere, using a desktop, laptop, or mobile device. This solution can be leveraged for business-to-business transactions, residents paying for public services, and universities collecting housing fees. The University of California at Berkeley uses the PeopleSoft Fluid eBill payment solution for student and faculty housing, childcare, and facilities rental. This solution helped them to reduce the manual updates in receivables, which lowered their operational costs. UC Berkeley students leveraged the power of PeopleSoft Fluid eBill payment by using their own smartphone to pay their bills. The Quick Pay tile on the eBill payment page takes you to the Quick Pay page, where you can pay the entire balance at once with a single click. You can opt to pay using a credit card, direct debit, electronic check, or PayPal. By default, the system shows the card details based on your selection. Once you have selected the details, click the Submit Payment button to make the payment. The Account Summary tile on the eBill payment page takes you to the Account Summary page where you can evaluate the activity and health of your account while staying on top of incoming invoices. The Account Summary Overview enables you to review the total balance in the account, the number of open invoices included in the balance, and the past due balance in the account. Next, let's see how to access the account balance details. Each invoice comes with a set of contextual actions. You can review the invoice details, communicate to the AR department, and review the invoice and email an invoice. Payment is easy and flexible with PeopleSoft Fluid eBill Payment. You can add invoices to the payment cart to make payments for multiple bills. You can also make partial payments against an invoice. Next, select the invoice you want to pay. The payment cart page uses a simple step-by-step payment process. This guided navigation enables users to know exactly where they are in the payment process and what comes next. You can opt to pay using a credit card, direct debit, electronic check, or PayPal. On the Account Summary page, you can view the aging of invoices and credit limit in the form of graphs. You can even view the recent invoices and recent payments. You can use the Make a Payment tile to pay your balance amount. You can pay your total balance, past due balance, pay by selected invoices, and pay by most recent statement. On the eBill payment page, select the Payment Cart tile. The Payment Cart page lets you view the invoices added to the payment cart, and you can initiate the payment from here. The Pending Payments tile takes you to the Pending Payments page, where you can review invoices submitted for payment in Fluid eBill Payment. On the Pending Payments page, you can view pending and scheduled payments and view messages associated with payments. You can also remove scheduled payments made through the direct debit payment method. The Payment History tile takes you to the Payment History page, where you can review the payment information. On the Payment History page, you can verify if a payment is applied to an invoice and view the payment details of a selected payment. Use the Invoices tile to view a list of invoices. On the Invoices page, notice that each invoice comes with contextual actions that provide additional flexibility. Click the Statements tile to open the Statements page. Use the Statements page to view and print statements. Click on the Contact Us tile to open the Message Center page to immediately send an email to a designated representative of your company. You can set up the topics and subjects to dynamically route the email to the correct recipient. The Message Center page gives brokers or users the ability to communicate directly with the biller within the framework of a mailbox inside the Fluid eBill payment solution. Both internal users and customers can access and review the contact history. Here, you can also see the number of unread messages in the Message Center. eBill Self-Service User Administration enables faster onboarding of new eBill payment users. External self-service users with administrative access can create new user accounts, which will create new PeopleSoft users in the back-end system. The administrator will be able to grant new users the required access to view and pay bills. Next, let's see how to manage a new user. On the Select User page, administrators can choose to create a new contact or give additional privileges to an existing contact. Administrators can create a new user by supplying the required details. The user profile should include the user ID and password. The new user can be given access to specific customer accounts. Also, the user can be given the role of broker contact or customer contact. Click the Account Settings tile to open the Account Settings page, where you can view contact information and manage phone information for users. On the Account Settings page, you can make real-time changes to the contact information for users without contacting the back office. Organizations need the ability to view multi-tiered customer relationships in a corporate hierarchy and leverage this data to manage their bill review and payments. PeopleSoft Fluid eBill payment customer hierarchy provides a graphic representation to show the multi-level hierarchy for customers as defined in the customer records and the eBill payment security setup. Let's review the customer hierarchy page. On the customer hierarchy page, your customers can view a customer relationship and drill down to invoice and account balances for a specific customer. Your customers can also view individual customer balances for each customer and a rolled-up balance for the corporate customers. The top node shows the broker contact responsible for paying invoices for a group of customers. This node shows customer ID, account balance, overdue balance, and location. Account roll-up balance is also available for nodes that are parents to other nodes. This is an example of a child node. Each child node is a customer for whom the broker is the contact. You can utilize the related actions to quickly view account statements, account summaries, access invoices, and the payment cart. Next, let's view the overdue balance details. The pivot grid on the overdue balance status page enables you to slice and dice data for greater clarity. Similarly, you can open the account balance page to review the account balance details. Using PeopleSoft Fluid eBill Payment, your customers can quickly access everything they need to manage their payment accounts. They can easily monitor their account status, view recent transactions and invoices, and make payments on the go. By providing this simplified user interface and enhanced features to customers, your organization can improve customer service and reduce the cost of billing and collections. For more information, go to PeopleSoftInfo.com.